The Masters of the One Sri Siddharameshwar Maharaj, The Path of the Ant and the Path of the Bird. Introduction. This book inaugurates the series The Masters of the One, a project born from a clear and irreversible inner impulse, to show that beyond all cultural and religious forms, there is only one reality and only one possible realization. Whether in the East or the West, every true path leads to the One. I chose to begin with Sri Siddharameshwar Maharaj not by chance, but due to a deep inner resonance. He was the direct teacher of Nisargadatta Maharaj, a figure who profoundly marked my own path. To understand Nisargadatta without knowing his master would be to misunderstand the source from which everything arose. This work is neither a hagiography nor a cold transcription. It is an act of recognition toward a master who, with sobriety and rigor, transmitted an absolute knowledge capable of awakening that which never sleeps, the impersonal identity, the formless awareness, the unborn self. Within these pages, I have chosen to present authentic teachings, spiritual reflections, and biographical narratives in a balanced way, neither mythologizing nor draining the strength from what truly occurred. I have included excerpts from original texts with full respect for the sources and have built a path that may help the reader not only to learn, but to recognize. The heart of this book, and of the entire Masters of the One series, is simple. The truth can only be transmitted by those who embody it, and those who are ready to receive it will do so, not through words, but through what vibrates beyond them. Thank you for being here and for listening. This concludes the introduction to the Masters of the One, Sri Siddharameshwar Maharaj, The Path of the Ant and the Path of the Bird. Tattvam Asi.